Look at this pork shoulder. This pernil looks delicious. Now listen to this.
Oh, look at that.
Good day to you and how you be, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about how to place your shirt properly on the pallet. And I'm not going to go eat to no food truck or restaurant today. Today I'm going to the best food there is in my lady's kitchen. We're going to have some pernil, some arroz con gandule, and totones with some, I think it's called Peruvian spicy green sauce. So man, I can't wait to get home, man. So let's do this. The moment you take the shirts out of your boxes, make sure you open them up and make sure they're all on the correct size, all the small, all the medium, all together. Then you're gonna take your little card and you're gonna place it near your press and just place all the shirts on top of that. And then you're gonna flip the shirts and you're gonna have the back of the shirts facing you. Then you just take one, put your hand inside on your left hand inside real nice and tight, then your right, then you're gonna flip and you're gonna make sure that you have a loophole right there, the back, the front, sagging up, and then you're just gonna come and place it in the pallet. Once you place it in the pallet, make sure you take it all the way to where the seams are at, where the seams on the neck shoulder right here, make sure that they're there, and then you're gonna start pulling the shirt back and make sure that they're nice and even. Then you're gonna look at that V-neck. That V-neck has to be placed right on top of the corner so you can know that all the shirts are the same, and all you're looking for is about a 1 inch, 1.5 inches from the collar. Not like the regular collars that we do, like we do 3 to 4 inches. On a V-neck, you don't do that. You want to come to 1 or maybe 2 the most. You're gonna go on that V-neck. That V-neck is already over here. So once you have that there, that's when you do your print. And now to taking those shirts out, all you want to do is go in the bottom of the shirt and you just want to pull up, not stretch, pull up, and then turn, grab the seams on the top of the shoulder of the shirt with your fingers. Then you're gonna slide it out. Then you come, take it to the press. You decide if you want to put it straight or you fold it, and that's how you do shirts. Very simple, very easy, and it's a quick. You'll be doing about 50, maybe 75 shirts an hour, and if you using all the pallets, no matter if you have to flash, you'll be able to do that because it's all about speed there, okay? So that's how you do the shirts. Now it's already 2 o'clock today. I've been getting all this job done. I'm hungry. Now let's go home and let me show you what my lady's cooking. Well, it's a beautiful day today. Oh man, nice weather, not that cold. So pernil is a pork shoulder. It's the most famous dish in Puerto Rico, man. And the trick of it is you gotta take that skin out on top, cut it out of top of the pernil, and then season everything there. Poke it and season it. And then you season the skin, the pernil, and then you bake it. And that's why my lady does the pernil, and it tastes so delicious. After you season it, you can leave it there for about a good few hours, and then put it in the oven, man. That's what we're gonna go eat right now. Let's do this. Best food in the world right here. We're gonna have some nice arroz con gandule, looking pretty good, and the main dish is right here, and it's nice pernil. It's cooking, still got a little more time to get done, but oh man, I can't wait for that chicharrón. And we're gonna have some
Peruvian spicy green sauce.
Okay.
It has garlic, jalapeno, cilantro, mayo, and some salt and lime.
Look at that. And it's gonna be with the totones. Look at this pork shoulder. This pernil looks delicious. Now listen to this.
Look at that.
Shoulder.
Yeah.
Okay, over here some arroz con gandules, with ham and sausage, the pernil. There goes the hot cuerito. You heard Ken right now biting that. It was like, oh man. And you crunchy. And the totones with the Peruvian spicy green sauce. The difference between this yellow rice and gandule, that the rice, my lady uses jasmine rice. Takes it to another level. The pernil. I can see it's tender, juicy. Nice. Oh my god. Now here's the cuerito. ¿Cómo se dice cuerito in English?
The skin.
The skin. We call it cuerito. Right here. A little bit totones with the green sauce. Oh. Delicious, baby. Delicious. That's a Puerto Rican dish right here. Now, see you guys later. I'm gonna spend time with the family. Well, I forgot. If you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.